Okay, here's the question then. So I've summarized it over the page. So let's have a look at the solution. So part 1 then. So here, tan of this equals 1.5. We're solving in this range, so let's draw a circle then. So we'll draw a circle, like cast. Tan is positive here and here, so draw two lines. Mark off alpha, the associated acute angle, and write tan alpha is equal to 1.5. So alpha is equal to shift tan of 1.5. And we're in degrees in this question, so make sure we're in degrees mode, which is number 3. So it's shift tan of 1.5 equals 56.30, 56.31, 3099, 56.3099 dot dot dot. Okay, so there's alpha. So our first solution then, x minus 40 degrees is the angle, and we go around to here, don't we? So that would be alpha 56.3099, or the other solution, x minus 40 then is equal to, and it was minus 180, so it would be around to here, wouldn't it? Now that would presumably be the angle. We'll see what it is when we get the solution, mind. So that would be minus 180 plus minus 180 plus the 59.3099, and we'll see what the solution is, see if it's in the said range. So here x is equal to 99.3099, or, and then we've got minus 180. Right, well let's just tap it in the calculator. We've got minus 59 plus 40, so it's, 56. Oh, I wrote it down wrong here. It's 56, isn't it? Let me just change that then. Here and here. Put the 6 in. Apologies for that. Let's go back to our calculator. So it's 56, this minus 180, plus 40 when we move it over, plus 40 equals minus 83. Let's just go back to it. 0.6900. 0.6900. Now what do we need to work it out to? To 1 dp? Yeah, to 1 dp. X is equal to then 99.3 degrees, or minus 83.7 degrees to 1 decimal place. So there's our two solutions for that problem. Part 2, show that this equation then can be written as this: sine theta tan theta is 3 cos theta plus 2. Part 2, sine theta tan theta is equal to 3 cos theta plus 2, wasn't it? Let's just go and check that, see if I've remembered it correctly. There it is, sine theta. Yeah, that's fine. So sine, tan is sine over cos, so that's sine squared over cosine theta is equal to 3 cosine theta plus 2. So sine squared is 1 minus cosine squared is equal to 3. Move this cos up to be times all the way through, plus 2 cosine theta. So what have we got here? Move this over. We get 4 cos squared theta over there, plus the 2 cos theta that's already there. And then move the 1 over to minus 1. There's nothing left on the other side. I've written it down from right to left. So there's our quadratic in cos, which is what we needed to show. Plus, yeah, that's fine. Solve this between theta 0 to 360. So that was A. b, so let's factorize it then. There's got to be 1 ones, hasn't it, with a plus or minus. Now 2 twos or 4 ones. It's got to be 4 ones, isn't it? No. No, it's not going to work, is it? 2 cos theta. No, I don't think it's going to work. Is that quadratic right? Let me just double check that. Quadratic. Yeah, it's fine. So we need to use the formula here, looks like, doesn't it? Let's see if we do need to use the formula by working it out. Cosine theta then, minus b. b squared is 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is 1, with a minus, all over 2a, which is 8, which equals minus 2 plus or minus 16 plus 4 is 20, which is 20, which is 4 5, which is 2 root 5 over 8, which is minus 2, 1 plus or minus, again, root 5 over 8. So then cosine theta, let's tap in the calculator. So we'll get, I'll just do this thing here, minus 2 on top, minus 2 plus 2 times the square root of 5 outside the square root, close bracket, divided by 8 equals 0.3090. Or cosine theta is equal to. Now we'll do the minus. So minus 2 minus 2 root 5 to the minus decimal minus 0.8090. Okay, there's our two values. So the first one then, CAST, we're solving for theta between 0 and 360, I think it was, wasn't it? Here it is here. So we get this solution then. Cos is positive here and here. Mark off alpha. And simply write cos alpha is equal to 0.3090. So alpha, shift cos, 0.309 equals 72 degrees, 0.00, 72.001 degrees. So theta then, the first solution will be round to here. Now what's the answer to? 1 dp? To 1 dp, it just says solve that, doesn't it? Let's look on the question paper just to be absolutely sure. Yeah, that's okay, it doesn't say it actually. So let's carry on then. So let's call it 72 degrees. It's very close to. And the other solution is right around to here, isn't it? 360 minus 72 is 388. 88 degrees. Let's do the next one. Circle, CAST. Cos is positive here and here, so it's negative there and there. 2 lines. Alpha. Cos alpha. Drop the negative, 0.8090. So alpha, shift cos, 0.809. 809 equals 36 degrees. So theta is equal to, then the first solution will be 180 minus 36 is 144 degrees. And the other one is right round to here. 180 plus 36 is 216 degrees. And there's our solution set. Just one slight change to this then. This 388 was wrong here. So I've just looked at double checked it all. 288 isn't it? Because it's a range of 0 to 360, so I got carried away there. Okay, good.